Good evening. This is day 14 on our Hildegard von Bingen program. As per usual, whenever you are ready, please close your eyes and turn your attention inward and upward. With each out breath, just simply release and let go of the day. Allow all the mental noises, the emotional ups and downs, whatever brought the day, just let them all go on the out breath. Just simply allow yourself to move away from the world, retrieve. And as you do that, just allow your attention to move inward and upward. On the out breath, let go. On the in breath, start moving your attention and your consciousness higher and higher. Inward, start looking up into oneness, looking for a deeper connection, because you know now what you will find there. In this deepening connectedness with the divine presence, in oneness, we experience ultimate peace, calm, forgiveness, and loving. And as we move into this space of totality, we experience a beam of white and golden light pouring down on us, embracing us, holding us throughout our meditation and prayer time. As we listen to Hildegard's wonderful words. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark. Make friends with the silence of the night. Imagine a garden springing up in the darkness. Let there be sun and light and birds. Let the earth give birth to flowers and fruits. Place yourself in the garden. Breathe the air. Eat the fruits. Smell the flowers. Give thanks to its creator. Acknowledge your dependence. And for a moment, just allow ourselves to grasp the words. We are part of everything, and everything is part of us. We are provided because we are connected to the Creator, to the divine presence, the loving and source of all abundance. We tune in and we receive. We acknowledge that we are being taken care of. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gift, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. Thank you for meditating and praying with me tonight. Have a blessed night. Baruch Bashem.